Hey. Hey guys, PMHK here, obviously. Now, if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're an OG, welcome back. I make tech videos every week. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe. You click the notification bells button so you can get notified whenever I upload a video. And also make sure you like this video because it's going to be fire as usual. Now, thank you guys so much for the support lately. I've been gaining a lot of subscribers the past, let's say, 2 months, probably because everybody's in quarantine, so they have a lot of time on their sides stuck at home, or it could maybe just be because my videos are fire like that, but I'm gonna let you guys decide on that. So sticking with the theme of the week, I'm going to try and answer more questions for you guys, but this time I'm gonna answer questions regarding PayPal. Now, PayPal, I remember I did a video probably already 3 or 2 years ago, and one of the actually main headlines of that video was the fact that I was calling it PayPal and not PayPal. I actually still feel like I'm calling it the wrong name, but since you guys are the expert in pronunciation, make sure you let me know how to pronounce it down in the comments. But there's a catch to it. You can only teach me how to pronounce if you can speak at least 2 international languages like I do. Flex. But anyways, PayPal is a service that I normally use to buy things when I'm buying them overseas, and the website normally would ask me either a credit card or use PayPal. Since I don't have a credit card, I tend to use PayPal with it. And you can also use the services just to keep your banking information or your card information safe, because you know there's a lot of scammers out there, and that's actually one of the ways that you can protect yourself against being scammed, because you're really not going to be changing or exchanging banking details or even credit card or debit card details, because you normally use an email. So normally what happens is you go to the PayPal website, you register for it, and you also add your debit card on it. And whenever you buy anything online using your PayPal account, they, at least with F&B, they actually debit straight from my bank account. Let's say I have a debit card and I have a current account which has 500 Rand. As soon as I enter my PayPal detail, the transaction actually debits straight from my bank account. I don't really have to add funds to PayPal, which is also something you can also do. Add funds to PayPal and then just debit directly from those funds, or you can just leave it like that and they can just go straight and debit from your bank account straight. Now, so I'm gonna go through the video that actually, this is probably also gonna be reacting to my old videos, because since I posted this video, I normally just tend to go and answer questions. I haven't watched the video maybe since that time when I uploaded the video. So let's see how I look on this video.
With just one account, you can shop at millions of merchants around the world and send money to friends and family almost anywhere. It's free to open a PayPal account and buy something using PayPal unless it involves a currency exchange. This is PayPal. Hey, what is up guys? It's PMHK here, and today I'm gonna be talking a little bit.
I just realized that back then I wasn't saying obviously yet. And I'll probably stop saying obviously when maybe I reach around 100,000 subscribers, because I mean, it's going to be obvious, but it's going to be obvious that it's obvious that you guys already know who I am. Anyways, I'm gonna let that play in the background while I answer questions. As you guys can see, I have questions that were asked a day ago. And this is probably a 2 or 3 years video that I've done 3 years ago. English is escaping me again. But anyways, let me just answer the questions. Okay, I can't watch and actually answer all the questions like that.
So guys, questions in the comments.
All right, I managed to open it on the YouTube app, which is much simpler because the video can play while you guys watch the video here. But also, if you aren't familiar with the video, I'm gonna link it down below in the descriptions as well as up here. So first question, does it charge for does it charge for receiving or sending money? Last time I checked, they don't charge, but obviously the bank is going to charge you conversion rate because PayPal, if I'm not mistaken, deals with dollars, and not currently in South Africa, we use rands obviously, so only that conversion rate is going to be charged, but apart from that you're not going to be charged. And Bruce Rivers asks, how much is the cost when you transfer between? Okay, that's similar question. Hi, can I use PayPal card in SA, or do I strictly just have to link my bank account? You strictly have to link your debit card, not your bank account. So you don't link your bank account, you link your debit card, which obviously is linked to your bank account. So at the end of the day, actually, it's kind of linking your bank account if you come to think of it. But anyways, you link your debit card, not your bank account. Next question, can I join and use PayPal to receive money from overseas without linking it? No, you can't do it without linking it to any bank. So there's someone in the US who wants to send money to my bank account. I am in Namibia. I do not have FNB. How should I do everything? Okay, this question I actually had answered it already, as you guys can see there. And what I advised him, it was to use MoneyGram or any other similar agencies that it's in actually both countries. Because with PayPal, always is a pain withdraw money when in Africa. And this is actually one of the problems. When it comes to buying outside, it is very easy. But when it comes for you to withdraw the money that is sent to you via PayPal, it becomes a problem. And last time I checked, unless it has been changed, you can only actually withdraw that money if you have a credit card with the bank that you are banking with in South Africa, and there are actually charges involved when it comes. I think that's when they actually charge you. When it comes for you to take away your money out of the PayPal account, from what I know, there are charges, but obviously I haven't tried that, so I can't say with 100% certainty. Okay, let's go back. Can a 15-year-old join PayPal? No, because you are underage. You can probably talk to your parents and they will assist you. I'm struggling to link NetBank to PayPal. Many people have actually have this question asked before, that they struggle to link their debit cards to PayPal. Unfortunately, I know I'm supposed to be helping you guys, but I feel like I'm failing you guys. Unfortunately, I don't know what you can do. Unfortunately, I don't know what you can do to link or to bypass the link, because for me, it was really straightforward, and I don't even think there's a way for me to relink unless I go and open another bank account and try and relink, and I'll show you guys on a video. If you guys want me to maybe try and do that, let me know down in a comment. I'm gonna try and relink another debit card to PayPal, or maybe I can always just go and change my debit card, and obviously because they're going to give me a new debit card with a new number, maybe I'll be able to relink it. But if you guys want to see that, let me know down in the comments. Okay, moving on. This is a 2 weeks question. Amazingly, this is a very old video, as I keep saying, and the questions are really recent. Can I withdraw money without linking my bank account? No, you cannot. One other thing I would actually recommend you guys to do, I know I'm here to help you guys, and I actually take pride and I enjoy answering your guys' question, but one thing you need to actually start doing before you ask me a question is go through all the comments on a video, because probably I have already answered that question there, because most of these questions, there will be a point that they would be repeating themselves, as I think you've already actually kind of noticed. The video is even finished now. All right, I'm gonna answer 3 more because the video is even finished. So okay, so let's maybe scroll to an older question. FNB, how do I get the routing number? Okay, I think you need the routing number when you need a routing number when you're adding an actual bank account, so you can actually withdraw the money. And most of these numbers, you call your bank, they will give you the routing number. Can you draw PayPal money at the ATM? No, you need to be able to send the money first to your bank account, and then obviously if you're using FNB, NetBank or Capitec, you're going to use your Capitec card to withdraw that money. But as I mentioned, it's quite hard to withdraw money from PayPal from PayPal here in South Africa. Okay, I'm gonna answer one more. Can you redeem codes? No, that's a quick one. I'm gonna answer another one. This is 8 months ago. Let's go from old one. This is a year ago. I asked for a PayPal account in Standard Bank. The lady got so angry and almost slapped me. They said I will spread HIV because I am transmitting money between two different countries. And my answer here, actually, I managed to answer them. I just laughed, and I laughed back. Wow, this is actually a funny way of ending the video. Okay, as I said, if you guys want me to try and relink my FNB card to PayPal, make sure you let me know down in the comments, and you also let me know by liking this video. So if this video gets how many likes should this video get? If this video gets 500 likes, I'm gonna go and relink my FNB card. Obviously, I'm gonna go and say that I lost my card so I can relink it for you guys on my PayPal account. But yeah, this is gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure if you're not already subscribed to the channel, you subscribe to the channel. And before I actually tell you guys to click that notification bell button, which I kind of already did. Thank you guys also again for all those who entered the giveaway on Instagram. I actually managed to send the package today. Hopefully the winner will receive the package maybe next week. Obviously, I'm gonna repost if he sends me a picture that he received the giveaway, just so you guys can see that it actually went out, just for transparency's sake. But anyways, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and I am going to catch you guys on my next video. Peace.